inside of this bag. And this one is came from my friend, giving me as a present. And one of my good friends from Philippines, that she's so very generous. This come from my friend GC and Leah Marshall. So let's open what's inside of this box, guys. Okay, I love the bag. It's YSL. So anyway, wow, look at this. So let's get this product first. Let's bring it out. Wow, she knows that this is what I'm using, guys. I love this. Wow. So this is the product brand from John Frieda. I really love this. This is the one that I use, the shampoo. And this is the purple shampoo, Violet Cross for Blunt. So yan siya, guys. It's a very, very good quality product from John Frieda. And this is the purple shampoo. So yan, purple shampoo with cross violet pigment. So yun siya, guys. This is what I'm using, the purple shampoo. So next is this one is the violet cross for blondes. Well, this is the conditioner. They're all the same from the John Frieda brand, guys. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. Thank you so much, my friend. And then here we have the extra strength serum. Yan, guys. Kasi gumagamit ako nito. This is unused for my hair. So this is the serum that I'm using when I do my after wash, and then before I dry my hair, I have to use the serum first, so to protect the end of my hair to not making it dry, especially that I colored my hair. So this one is designed for you color your hair, like highlights here. You have to have something serum to protect your hair. So this is the serum from the John Frieda. I love this product. It's really good. And so that's it. Oh, thank you, my friend, for this beautiful hair product from John Frieda. So that's it. So now we're gonna see what's inside the goodies of this box, guys. So there's so much goodies here. Okay, this is from my friend that she works in store. So anyway, this is all the goodies, like sample. So there's a lot in here. Yeah, so I just have to put this in the bag. This is a lot of sample goodies there. This is like lip gloss. This is like the cream. And then this is like the night cream. And this is like body wash. This is all the sample, guys. So, yeah. Daily vitamin infusion. That's really nice. So this is all the goodies sample. And wow, look at this. I have a pair of hairpin from Pins. Yeah, guys. This is really nice. Very pretty. Ayan. Very. So let's get this pin. Shall we go and try it here? So beautiful. Yeah. Wow, beautiful. is the serum. So let's open this. Yes, this is the serum, guys. And this one is the glue drops. And this one is the mask. So thank you for watching for all my opening present today. See you for another vlog.